Good morning, folks. What's up? Happy Vlogmas. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm trying not to be super loud because people are still asleep. It is, not a good time. It's 9:11. And I was just getting out of the shower, about to do my makeup. I need to set it up so that y'all can see me. You see me. Let's see if this will work. I guess it will. I need a light though, even though this is not like a, oh, good Lord. Y'all see that? Let me tell you what, maybe I should just do these lights. Okay, maybe that's a little better. I actually like that better. I'm getting ready to do some makeup because we are gonna go ice skating today, and I have to film like 2 videos before I go. And I don't know, it's 9 something. Yes, I have basically about an hour and 45 minutes to get all of that stuff done and be headed out to go skating. And Bae just went out and made a juice run. Y'all know my smoothie bowls. I tend to get them like once a month because they are expensive and overpriced, because you can make a smoothie bowl at home for like, now I ain't gonna say it's cheap, it's still probably like, you can make enough for probably like $8 or $9. And if you have like the ingredients that last long, like the granola and the coconut flakes and stuff, it'll be even cheaper. But it's $11 a bowl to go and get it from the juice spot. So that was like, for 3 people, $30 something. That's expensive. But once a month, it's a treat, and it's better than just, I guess, eating like ice cream. At least it's fruit, you know. So let me go and get some makeup, and I'm gonna throw on something to film these videos with. It doesn't have to be like super beat makeup because I'm doing like some simple videos. So let me get up. All right, guys, so I'm put together. I have on my Chloe perfume, the Rose Tangerine. It smells so bomb. Definitely a must get. Trying to turn off all my lights and make sure my house is straightened before I leave, so I don't have to come back to a mess, because today is just a busy day for me. Okay, I'm working non-stop, regular work, YouTube work, trying to fit in some little bit of activities and get some videos up for you guys for Vlogmas, all of that, all the above. So good thing I work from home though, because this makes that a little bit more easier during the week for me. Okay, so I have my smoothie bowl. That's why I was gonna wear the Fenty lip all day, but then I was like, but I gotta eat, and I don't want to bring them out the house. I just got them, and you know, when you bring stuff out the house, liable to lose it. But here's my smoothie bowl. It is right here. It looks so bomb. I'm gonna have to eat it in the car on the way, because we are definitely going to be late to the ice skating, and it's only an hour, so we kind of got to get there because the ticket is only for 1 hour. So let me put on a coat, because it's pretty cold here in the DMV. It is like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna put on a cardigan because Bae is telling me that it's not that cold outside actually today. So I got this little, it's really my work cardigan. that I wear. And I got on these like blue gray tones. Nothing too cute because I'm probably gonna bust my behind. Well, we won't say that because we don't want to jinx it, but I'm liable to fall. So we're not gonna be acting too crazy out here in these streets. Get my phone and turn off the lights. When I get back, I'll have to film the Skims haul that should be dropping this week sometime. And then that'll really be it for filming. And then, you know, the worst part is editing. So, we got masks. Finally in a car, and I'm about to smash on this because I am starving, okay? Starving. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock and I still ain't ate nothing, and I have even had a coffee, which typically curbs my appetite. So I need to eat. Okay, we made it. And hopefully we don't have to wear this mask because it's gonna be a little bit tough for me with this specific one that I have on. Okay, so I don't know what's going on, but the fire alarms are going off over here, and that's gonna be mad annoying. Alright, I'm tired, and these actually hurt really bad on your feet. So I'm not really impressed with the actual ice skates. They hurt a lot more than normal, so I have to come and I basically just sat down because they can have at it. I'm good on this. And I look, think my brother is also over it.
And then go over instead of
or his skates are too big or something. I don't know. I think he's returning his skates because they're too big. Mine are okay. They just hurt. I don't like it. And I've been ice skating like a few times before this. Like in Chicago we went. I've been a few times in Atlanta.
Okay, tell her to come here.
But this is by far like the worst ones I've worn. To the point that I can't even really skate that long in them because then they start to hurt. Sometimes I have an arch foot, so sometimes stuff with such flat footing really hurts my feet. So sorry. Yeah. So we finished ice skating, and I'm gonna tell y'all I was done after about 10 minutes because of the way my feet was feeling in them skates. But it was fun for them. Okay, so after going to TJ Maxx and coming back, I pretty much just relaxed. I had to film a few more videos, edit one video so it could go up tonight, which is Sunday. And now they're baking cookies because this was their project. I'm about to get me a spoonful of icing though because that's what I like. Alright y'all, calling it a night for tonight. We finished the cookies, which came out way better than last year. I don't know if I filmed last year, but it was a hot mess. But this year, the sugar cookies don't look like they are like super puffy or thick like they were last year. And the icing is, okay, the icing is not where it's at. We know that. But the actual cookie came out good, and that's really what counts. The little cookie Betty Crocker pack of sugar cookies had a whole bunch actually of cookies in it, so we ended up wasting some of that though because I was like, who gonna eat all these sugar cookies, because it ain't gonna be me since I'm trying to lose this weight. But yeah, the kitchen is now mostly clean, besides a few water bottles and such that everybody's been drinking on, because everybody knows that baked goods just, they make you thirsty. That's why people tend to drink milk with it. But everybody in this house is drinking water. So yeah, I guess that's it. I did not wrap gifts today. Gonna have to probably fit that in my busy schedule this week. And also, what else am I gonna have to do this week? I'm gonna have to film a few videos so that videos can still go up while I'm in the A. But yeah, it's it for me, sis. I'm going to bed, and good night on that note.